Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. Today we're at one of our rental houses here, and I am going to talk to you about replenishing a bathtub, making it look nice again. I'm not the one that's going to do all the work. There are professionals that come in to do this, but so here what we have. A couple years ago, we were doing some work. I think we took the toilet out and we put it in here. We dropped something on the bathtub, and man, it dented this shiny porcelain. It's not well, the coating that's on the tub. Well, a lot of you may not know this. All the tubs that are not made out of plastic nowadays are actually metal underneath. So over time, that metal rusts and starts to come up. So we've got two big spots there, and this tub has just lost its finish over time. So we're going to hire a professional to come in. If you look up bathtub reglazing, if you look up refinishing, you're going to come up with a bunch of stuff. Look up bathtub reglazing, and you'll see there's companies that come in, they put plastic everywhere, and they put this like epoxy over it. I don't know, it's amazing. We've had it done before and it works. So I'm going to myself re-grout this tile here. You can see it's kind of cruddy. Some areas it's actually cracked and come out. So that's not just dirt. There's actual spots here where there's no grout. So I'm going to dig this grout out with a grouting tool or a grout removal tool, and then just, you don't have to completely get it out, but I'm going to replenish it with some fresh and nice new grout. So guys, I'm going to show you the before and after. This is the before, and I'm going to merge these videos together. I'm going to show you what it looks like after. The light's not great in here, but you're going to see these spots disappear. So that is actually, yeah, there it is. There's one right there. And this is just going to continue to get worse. And around the drain, you can see some stuff there. So guys, I'll show you after this. You're going to see it like magic when I snap my fingers. Okay guys, so there you have it. Bathtub reglazing. So I did the tile grout myself, and it turned out really well. That was tedious, scratching all that old grout off and putting the new grout on, but it did work, okay? And then the professional reglazer came in. It cost $425, and I got quoted anywhere between, say, $400 to $600 to have it done. We removed the drain, and we're gonna, just to make sure everything's covered, and we're gonna put that drain back in. But it's nice and shiny. Got rid of those rust marks. They sanded those down and they sprayed it over. It's like a new car spray. So they do have specific care instructions for this. They say don't use bleach cleaner on it, but that is a new looking bathtub, guys, and it only cost $425. Didn't have to tear the whole thing out, and it stopped the rust. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks, and our new bathtub, refinished, reglazed. Look it up on Google, bathtub reglazing, and it'll make a huge difference. You can even change the color of your bathtub. If you've got an old hideous like pink or purple bathtub, blue from the 70s, you can reglaze it, and it'll look nice and new and modern. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.